Last night, the menu in Laban reminded me something called Meshkak. And tonight, suddenly, I feel hungry. And I think that would be a good choice to go out to have a Meshkak somewhere near where I live. So I grabbed my scooter, set off to go for Meshkak. Well, few days ago I got some scooter accident, so for sure this time I will drive slowly. So yeah, let's go. See how beautiful it is? This Mashkab place is just right outside Jebesiva. I comes like every other night, so all the people here knows me very well already. These shops normally sells lamb, beef, squid, and sometimes some prawn, and they have also burger. I usually just order lamb. Somehow I have my colleague that they made some nice chicken as well last night, so I decided to order some chicken as well. See, look at the smoke. Wow, I love such atmosphere. So now I just wait. Well, I'm not going to lie, I eat a lot of meshkak every time. So this time I have ordered the first one 12 pieces of lamb and 12 pieces of chicken. See, the lamb is so yummy. Well, I guess that's not enough, so I decided to go for another one. I ordered another 12 pieces of lamb again. With this sauce is simply amazing. You can see how beautiful it is. I think it is even better than the first one. So totally I had 36 pieces of meshkak tonight. Touch wood, I had no accident on my way back home with my lovely Mii Scooter 3, so I reached safely. In general, that is a lovely evening. I am so happy with the meshkak as always. So just finish the night, charge my lovely beautiful scooter. Turn off the light, close the door, and now it's heading to the bed. Good night all.